Hello all, welcome to Kerala Antiques. On every video, we will be discussing about a different antique item. On today's video, we will be discussing about a lime pot. This lime pot is from Kerala. Specialty of lime pots is that it's usually used to keep lime to make pan. It's also called Neetu Kudva in Kerala. It's made up of bronze. It has a roaster on top. It comes with a spoon or rod which is usually inclined in this form. This helps us to take the lime from all sides, which is very unusual in other area pots. It's only seen in Kerala pots. It's made up of bronze. It's a perfect piece for center table decor and as an antique collection. Thank you.